activity. Okay, so remaining conclusion, only two important points are there that I'll explain in between. Okay, or after the explanation, I'll explain. Now it's your turn, Kartikeya. On your mic,
Okay.
you can say the answer. Carry
Yes,
on.
ma'am. So in the last class, we learned an experiment in which we took a battery and some wires and a thick copper wire. So we connected the two ends of the copper wire with the ends of the battery, one from positive terminal, one from
Yes.
negative terminal, and we
Yes.
inserted the magnetic wire on a piece of cardboard. So
Yeah.
so after inserting the copper wire in the cardboard, when we switched on the
Yes.
when we switched on the current, then when the current
Yes.
passed from that copper wire, then we can see that if we sprinkle some iron fillings around the wire, then we can see some uh, then we can see the
Pattern. We can see.
iron fillings
Uh,
in some arranged in some concentric manner around the wire.
Very good. Okay, concentric circle,
So
and it is a pattern.
so as conclusion, we can say that there are magnetic field
Yeah.
lines due to which these uh,
Yeah.
concentric circles of iron fillings were made.
Okay, correct. Okay, so this is all about the activity what we have seen in the last class. And conclusion of the activity, we can say like this. Um, Magnitude of the magnetic field produced at a given point increases the current through the wire increases. Okay, deflection. Maybe you are remembering that the deflection become more when we pass more electric current through the circuit. So this is one conclusion. Second conclusion is that the magnetic field produced by the given current in the conductor decreases as the distance from it increases. So that means the distance of that compass increases. So the deflection will be decreasing. So that means these are the conclusions of activity 13.5. Now let us think about the next topic, right hand thumb rule. Right hand thumb rule, you can write it on your copy, right hand thumb rule. Okay, so this is the next topic. You can see that it is there in the video. I'm showing the video, so see that. Is the screen is visible? Screen is visible? Anyone can reply to me.
No, ma'am.
No,
Screen is
ma'am.
visible?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Screen is not visible. Okay, wait. But I don't know what is. I'm sharing it. But it's not visible. Let's see. Okay. Now I'm coming back and I attend it again. Okay. Now.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'm sharing it. I don't know what is the problem.
मैम आपकी आवाज़ें थोड़ी कट के आ रही हैं.
मेरी आवाज तो मे बी connected. So I stop sharing this now. Let us think about another one.
मैम या तो बाहर
Is
बारिश
the screen is visible?
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है।
No, ma'am.
अरे कोई बात नहीं, we trying. Just through Chrome only. Now is the screen is visible? Tata Edge class.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
नो मैम।
It is not visible. Okay. So maybe network issue is there. My voice is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
My
यस
voice
मैम।
is clear? Okay.
यस मैम, उसमें देखा मैम, उसमें ये नहीं देखा। हाँ, अब शायद आपकी स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट हो रही है।
Present हो रहा है। अब देखो, maybe network issue is there.
Yes, ma'am. अब हो रहा है
Okay.
present.
Now screen is visible. अब हो रहा है. Okay, wait. हाँ, maybe network issue is there.
मैम लेफ्ट हो गया मैम वो स्क्रीन वाला।
Now, अरे कोई बात नहीं, wait for some time.
से
अब आ
प्रेजेंट
रहे
कर रहे थे वो लेफ्ट हो।
नो मैम।
नो
अभी?
मैम। मैम या तो वो जब आप प्रेजेंट करती हो उसके थोड़ी देर बाद आता है। हाँ,
हाँ,
अब मैम
so
अब
that's why
आया है।
net is slow. अब आ गया? Okay. So let us see. Let us see the content. It will take a moment.
No, ma'am.
I will open this.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Everyone's
मैम ने अभी
screen is
स्टार्ट
not
ही किया
visible.
है।
मैम
मैम
आज
मतलब
है?
आपका नेटवर्क
दिखा
इशू
रहा है,
हो
ये
रहा है।
दिखा रहा है कि आप स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट कर रही हो।
So wait for some time.
हाँ मैम, अब
मैम दिख
दिखा
गया
रहा
दिख
है।
गया।
Yes, ma'am, दिख रहा है.
So look, दिख रहे हैं. So that's wait for some time. Be patient, okay? Hi, it is so early. It can make from the screen. Okay, it is coming. Wait for some time. Patiently, we have to wait. Okay. So in between, I'll tell you the rule. Right hand thumb rule. Okay? So what is right hand thumb rule? It is the convenient way of finding the direction of. Wait again. It is the convenient way of, you can understand, it is the convenient way of finding the direction of magnetic field associated with the current carrying conductor. So this is the important point regarding right hand thumb rule. What is right hand thumb rule? This is a particular rule which governs or which guided us to find out direction of magnetic field associated with a current carrying conductor. Now, just imagine you have pen with you. Imagine that you are holding a current carrying straight conductor. Imagine that the current carrying straight conductor is your pen. Okay, is it clear to you? Hold your
आपकी आवाज कट
pen.
रही है।
Okay, so network issue is there. Network issue is there. Okay, it's also not working properly. Okay, you people will wait. Maybe you will join again. So I will use another source of connection. Okay, let us see. It will not take much time. Now the screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have changed the source of connection. Okay. Network issue is there. I can understand. Because we have lost so much time, so directly we'll come to the content. Okay, right hand thumb rule I'll explain. Um, Imagine that you are holding a current carrying straight conductor in your right hand. So that means you hold your pen on your right hand properly. Okay, and keep your thumb in the upper direction. Okay, hold it. All of you try to hold it in that particular way. Okay, so imagine that you are holding a current carrying straight conductor in your right hand such that the thumb point towards the direction of current. Okay,
आप तो
thumb
वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा
pointing. Look at the fingers. The fingers will
मैम
wrap around the conductor in the direction of video. Screen is visible. Screen is not visible.
मैम आपका वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा
है visible.
So because simultaneously when I show my video, so it will maybe again problem will be coming. That's why off my video. Okay, so let us think about. Okay, let us see the right hand thumb rule in the video. I don't know whether it is properly shown or not. Let us check.
Do you know that a straight
Now,
current carrying
is it
conductor
audible? Students,
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
is it audible?
यस मैम
creates a circular pattern of magnetic field lines around it? The direction of the magnetic field will reverse if you reverse the current flowing through it. Similarly, the magnetic field will increase if you add more batteries to increase the current. Now, what if we bend the conductor to make a circular loop? Will the pattern of magnetic field lines remain the same?
Wait. So in between, you can note down the rule. Okay. It will take 1 minute. Write down, start writing. Imagine that, imagine that you are holding a current carrying straight conductor, current carrying in your right hand,
मैम प्लीज
right
रिपीट
hand, such that the thumb point. Okay. Imagine that you are holding a current carrying straight conductor in your right hand such that the thumb points towards the direction of current. The direction of current. Full stop. Then your fingers will wrap. Then your fingers will wrap. Spell it, wrap. W-R-A-P. W-R-A-P. The fingers will wrap around the conductor. Around the conductor in the direction of the field lines. In the direction of field lines. Field means magnetic field lines. Direction of the field lines of magnetic field. So this is known as right hand thumb rule. Okay. Ishika, are you there? Ishika Gupta, can you repeat the rule statement?
Yes, ma'am. Imagine that you are
repeat it.
Imagine that you are holding a current carrying straight conductor in your right hand, such that the thumb points towards the direction of current. Then your fingers will wrap in the direction of magnetic field lines. This is known as right hand thumb rule. Yeah. Okay, right hand thumb rule. One more name is there. You know, it is also called the Maxwell's corkscrew rule. You know what is corkscrew? Anybody has seen corkscrew?
बॉटल में कॉर्क लगता है ना, उसको निकालने के लिए एक वो होता है, मैं उसको कॉर्क में अंदर डालते हैं, उसके बाद कैसे घुमा घुमा कर निकाल देते हैं.
Okay. Have you seen it? Cork?
Yes, ma'am.
Corkscrew. It is screw. It is different type. There is a holder there, and there is at the center there is a spring-like attachment. It is there in this video. Let us see that. Okay. So this rule is also known under the name Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Okay, you can note it down. Maxwell. Name of the scientist, complete name James Maxwell. Maxwell's corkscrew. C-O-R-K screw. Corkscrew rule. Okay, so this is also known as
magnetic field due to current through a long wire. In 1820, Hans Christian Ørsted accidentally discovered that when an electrical current flows through a wire, it will generate a magnetic field around the wire. He found that when a compass was placed in close proximity to the wire, the compass would deflect. If the direction of the current through the conductor was reversed, the needle would deflect in the opposite direction.
This experiment we have seen at the beginning. Maybe you can remember the name of the experiment. It is called the Ørsted experiment. This we have seen in detail, okay?
His experiment showed there is a magnetic field generated due to a current-carrying conductor. Let's consider a straight wire which is connected to a battery. As electric current flows through the wire, the electrons will move from the battery's negative pole towards the positive pole. The current will flow in a direction opposite the electrons. As the current flows through the wire conductor, a magnetic field will be generated around the wire in concentric circles that are perpendicular to the wire. All lines of the magnetic field will be in concentric circles, with the direction of the field depending upon the direction of the current as it flows through the conductor. The radius of the lines of force will increase as it gets further away from the axis of the conductor. If we hold our right hand around the wire.
Now onwards you can listen very carefully. Now it is
and extend current, and the curled fingers will indicate the direction of the magnetic field.
So this is the summary of right hand thumb rule. Okay, thumb indicate the direction of electric current, while the fingers represent direction of the magnetic field when you hold the conductor in our right hand, keeping our thumb in the upper direction. Okay, so this is a summary of this statement of the rule.
We can determine the magnetic field produced by the current flowing through a long, straight wire by applying Ampere's law. The expression for the magnet is B is equal to mu naught I divided by 2 pi r, where B is the magnetic field in Telsa.
This is of 12th class syllabus. Okay, you can see this.
I is the current in amperes. Mu naught is the permeability of free space, and r is the radial distance in meters. Summary.
Okay, so this is all about the right hand thumb rule. So now we will see another video. It is regarding the next topic.
मैम 4:32 हो गए.
Okay, you are so much worried about the test. Okay, हाँ महक.
मैम राइट हैंड थंब रूल और मैक्सवेल क्रॉक स्क्रू रूल दोनों
same है. It can be say that it is also known under the name Maxwell's cork rule. Why is it called same? If we consider ourselves driving a corkscrew, driving means we will try to apply it in the direction of the current, then the direction of corkscrew. The way the corkscrew is moving, it represents direction of the magnetic field, and ourselves what the direction we apply the force on that particular corkscrew, it represents the direction of current. So this is why it is known under the name Maxwell's corkscrew. Okay, why I am telling this? Because this is also a point related to this is extra information regarding right hand thumb rule. Okay, so that's why it is important. So wait for some time. Let us have a video regarding thumb rule. I will try to take it now. I will give enough time. No need to bother about the time. Okay.
Do you know that a straight current-carrying conductor creates a circular pattern of magnetic field lines around it? The direction of...
Okay, I'll stop doing this one. Now I will give the time for class test. Okay. So I'm coming back first. Now all of you are ready for the test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll send the link to you.
Ma'am, how much time we will get?
See, it is of 20 questions are there, and time allotted is only 15 minutes. Okay.
Ma'am, MCQ questions?
Only MCQ we can ask in this type. Okay. I'm adding the question in chat box. On your chat box. Okay. Now I'm sending. Have you seen it on chat box? Start doing the answers. Okay. Start doing. Now your time starts. Now it is 4:35. 15 minutes time. 20 questions are there.
लिंक एक बार फिर से भेज दीजिए, वो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया था।
Okay, wait. Both are same only, okay?
मैम ये सबमिट नहीं हो रहा है।
सबमिट नहीं हो रहा, वापस एक बार देख लो।
मैम चेक कर लिए, सारे क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं।
कर लिया?
यस मैम।
बट यू कैन सबमिट, वापस चेक करो अपना नाम, क्लास, सेक्शन। यू कैन सबमिट वंस ओनली महक।
अभी तक सबमिट नहीं किया, अभी एक ही टेस्ट किया है।
Okay. No, you attempt all the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I got 3 responses, Meg. You check it again. Seven minutes are left, okay? Quick. Five minutes are left. Now 4 minutes are left. Now 3 minutes are left. I got only 7 responses. Only 1 minute is left. 12 responses I received till now. Now the time is up. Okay. So now further I can't accept any response. Okay. No problem. 16 responses I got till now. Okay. So this is all about today's class. So sorry to have this connectivity problem this time. Let us continue in the next class. Okay. Wednesday, Sai Ram, अपना शांति पाठ कर लेते. Let us conclude the session. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. See you Wednesday, okay? Take care. Thank you. Thank you for everyone. एक डाउट है, हाँ इशिका तुम मुझे लिख के दे देना डाउट, ठीक है? थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू. ओके इशिका तुम पर्सनल में लिख लो, पर्सनल विंडो में, तो आई विल रिप्लाई. ओके हाँ, दोस हु हैव डाउट send your doubt through personal window. I will clear it. Okay.
Yeah.
हाँ हाँ सर. कार्तिकेय
मैम हाय.
हायर मैंने अभी पूरा कंसोलिडेटेड नहीं देखा, लेकिन मुझे लग रहे थे 18 किसी ने स्कोर किया है। अब मैं आपको वेडनेसडे को बता दूंगी, ठीक है? मैं पूरा शीट दे दूंगी, रिस्पॉन्स शीट, उसके बाद बता दूंगी, ठीक है?
मैं तो तुक्के लगा दिए थे मैम, मेरे छूट गए थे बहुत सारे।
तुमने कैसे? बहुत सारे छूट गए थे, क्योंकि मैं बता दूं, आप बीच बीच में ना, हम लोगों को प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि एक के ऊपर अपन ज्यादा ध्यान दिया है, ठीक है? ये प्रैक्टिस आपको करना ही पड़ेगा समहाउ, क्योंकि जब तक प्रैक्टिस नहीं करो तो ना, लास्ट फाइनल एग्जाम के लिए मे बी उसमें भी मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन होगा, तो so we have to practice. No, don't worry, next time you can do better, okay?
Okay,
okay,
Saira,
see you. Sairam.